Hello there, I'm back with another video. Today we are going to make this page insert, the specimen flip. You can make this project as a Halloween project also. You can use it to add it to your own Halloween journals or your entomology journals. Here are the final pieces that are included. Let us start the assembly. I've made these round windows on these pocket flaps, right, like here, and I'm just going to add these transparent sheets to these windows. So I'm folding the pocket flaps along the lines, and I'll be adding those transparent sheets using tape. And I'll be repeating the same step to all the 4 of those pocket flaps. Now that it's done, I've got these 4 flaps over here. So the specimen tags will be suitable to insert them. And this is the main panel. I have folded the panel into half so that you can use this flap as a page insert. Now I'm going to use the bottom part of those pocket flaps to attach it to the main panel, and arranging them like so. So you just have to arrange them diagonally facing each other, kind of a thing. And now I'm just going to glue the pockets together, leaving the bottom part of that flap so that can be attached to the main panel. So applying glue to 2 sides and closing them. Now that I'm done with all the 4 of those pocket flaps, I'll be attaching these to the main panel. So you can see that I'm arranging them diagonally facing each other. This is how I want them to be open, like one on the horizontal and the other will be on the top and bottom facing, kind of a thing. And applying glue and sticking it to the main panel. Now that we are done with attaching these pocket flaps, so once you close it into half, this will be you can just add it easily as a page insert to your own journal, and you can see how these flaps are going to open up. Now let's start adding a few pockets to the panel. You can rearrange them as you wish and add these pockets. I'm just going to layer the bigger pockets together, and the smaller pockets I'll just add them to the other side. done with pockets on the one side of the panel. On the back side of the panel, I'm going to attach a few more pockets. These are these diagonal pockets that I have here. So behind you can see that the attached part of those pocket flaps are visible. So to cover those up, I've added these diagonal pockets over here that you can use them to cover up those attached areas. So I'm applying glue on two sides of these diagonals and adding them as a pocket over here. That's it. That's the assembly of the entire page insert over here. I've just went through my sewing machine and added those tabs on certain tags and also some more details on these ephemera over here. And I'm just going to add some decorations. I've included a few labels over here. You can just use it to decorate the page insert. That is it. Here is the final reveal of the specimen flip page insert. It has a very vintage look with specimen tags. Also check out the entomology journal that is available in the shop, and the link to this page insert is available in the description below. I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.